Hello guys and welcome back to our channel. Today I will show you how to fix GCash green screen overlay detected problem. So this issue usually happens due to screen recording application overlays or security restrictions. Let's go step by step and solve it. So step 1 is closing the background apps. Swipe up or press the recent apps button and click on the close all button and close any apps running in the background, especially screen recorders, floating widgets like chat heads and apps with screen overlays. Now, step 2 is disabling developer option. Simply navigate to your settings, then search for developer settings. Now, simply click on developer settings and turn the switch that says developer options off. Now, disabling developer option could fix the problem. Now, another way to fix this problem is checking the app permissions. Simply navigate to settings, navigate to apps, then navigate to GCash. So click on the search icon and search for GCash. Click on it. Now, simply tap permissions and make sure it has access to storage, phone and camera. So you can click on camera, then click on allow only while using the app. Click on photos and videos and click on allow limited access. Now you can simply navigate to storage and click on clear cache button if it has temporary cache available. Now step 4 is restarting your phone and trying again. So after making the changes, restart your phone and open GCash again. If the problem is still there, consider reinstalling the app from the Google Play Store. And that's it. Your GCash green screen overlay issue should now be fixed. If this video helped, like and subscribe and drop a comment if you need more troubleshooting tips. See you in the next guide.